Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1967 Porsche 911. It's an older hot rod build. It has green Bilsteins sway bars and torsion bars, adjustable rear spring plates, turbo tie rods, turbo front brakes, nice looking Fuchs at all four corners. It was resprayed this Viper green, has the H4 headlights. Inside, it has an RS carpet kit, some nice buckets with houndstooth inserts, RS-style door cards, dash is in good shape, older steering wheel with, I will call it patina. It's a 901 gearbox that shifts nicely through all gears. Headliner's all in good shape. Nice little chrome mirror. All the gauges seem to work properly. Shows 74,000 miles on a 5-digit odometer. Under the whale tail is a nice period correct 2-liter flat 6 with dual triple Weber carburetors. It has the Carrera Oil fed chain tensioners. Has a cool center exit exhaust and relatively tidy underneath. Fiberglass bumpers front and rear. It's really just a fun, angry little car that you can happily drive every day. So there you have it, our 1967 Porsche 911.